Look at this nature. Look at it. Other than the big clunky noise in the background. Look at this nature. Wow. If you're ever feeling lack in your life and you need to feel a bit of abundance and you feel like you haven't really got anything to be happy or appreciative or have gratitude about, go to nature and just be grateful for every single leaf that you can see. The fact that you can breathe the air, that you're here, that you can see this or hear this. That sound is like a wind turbine, windmilly thingamabob in the background, like one out of a scary film or something. Clunk, clunk. Don't listen to that. Listen to the birds. Look at the flowers. So fucking pretty. Look at that dog. Look at that dog. What's she doing? Where's the sticks? Where's the sticks? Ruby? 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 Where's the sticks? Where's your stick? Where's the stick? Huh? Where's that stick? Where's your stick? Where is it? Where is it? What's this? What's this? Ready? Ready? Go! Where'd it go? Ready? This is what we play when there's no sticks. Go! We play the invisible stick game if there is no real sticks. We've just been playing with real sticks, so she's definitely had some real stick fun. Haven't you? Real stick fun.